What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdie, Gator. You guys, we're not going to look at toys for long, but I did want to show you a couple really cute items. If you're already thinking about stocking stuffers, these would be super cute. Look how pretty this little puzzle is. It says best friend. We also have this one that's brand new. And it's been a really long time since we've seen many new items over here down the toy aisle. Like a really long time, but they have a lot of new puzzles here, a whole lot of puzzles. I think some of these might be new, and then this one in particular, I'm pretty sure this one is new as well. Okay, you guys, let's see what we got. Oh, this is also new, the career doll outfit. This is supposed to be like a singer or musician. I have a lot of new items to share with you guys. A lot of new home decor. Get ready. The stuff is so cute. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start with these. Love begins with you. These are wood, and these flowers are foam flowers, and then the leaves are felt. And then we have You Inspire Me. Oh, we actually have 4. And then we have Enjoy Simple Pleasures. So we have 2 brown, and the brown ones have the flowers on the top, and then we have 2 white ones, and the white ones have the flowers on the bottom. We also have Happiness Is You. Really cute, especially if you love the bottle theme. Like if you love mason jars and if you love the country theme. Okay, down here, you guys have probably seen all of these little Wi-Fi password wall decor. These are nice. We also have them in black. These can hold candles. Ooh, and these are pretty incense holders. You guys, I'm spotting even more new items. These are really pretty. And then we also have black. You guys, we have wax melt burners. I think I actually have all of these. I may not have this one though. And look at these hearts. And yes, they are glass. This is so cute. I love this one. That is really cute, isn't it? Super cute. Happily Ever After, those are new. The little bird print, that's my first time seeing that. And then we have another, look you guys, Stay Clever Little Fox. That's new, and he sort of pops out. But we also have another little birdie print up here. And then we haven't seen these mirrors for a while, but they're back, and they are plastic. We have a few varieties. And then I believe these are new as well. These little triangles. These would be perfect for making your own little Zen gardens. You could just grab a $1 bag of sand from here, of course. You could grab a bag of pebbles. You could grab one of these. And hopefully you have a little rake. Maybe you could grab a little succulent or a flower pick that you already have. And you could have your own little Zen garden. Super cute. Oh, I think these are new. I heard someone playing with these. Oh, these are new. Look, you guys. Production, roll, scene, and take, director, camera, and date. I think my daughter would like to have one of these. Yeah. I think this is a little prop she would like to have. I kind of want to have one too. Maybe we'll get it and share it. But of course, I have to try to pick the one with the most perfect paint, right? I think this one's good. And then behind me, we have a ton of t-shirts. I believe. Oh wait, some of them are actually long sleeve. Yeah, some of them are long sleeve and they're Hanes, which is really nice. We have purple. Look for the words long sleeve. We have lime, not lime green. We have a mint. We also have short sleeves, so a variety of short and long sleeve. Perfect for wearing around the house, cleaning in, or maybe you want to DIY one of these. Okay, I was spotting some headbands when I was down this aisle earlier. Oh, these are back. They're so pretty. Aren't those pretty? We have these that are new. And then we have these. I guess just the two. These popped up last week, these large white paddle brushes. These are really nice. And if you want to do something cute, you could come over here to the craft aisle. Excuse me, honey. Uh-oh. Now, if you guys want to do something super cute to one of these paddle brushes, if you just have to make everything be like extra cute, you could get one of these and you could come over here and look for the rub-on transfers. We have shells, we have cactus, we have numbers. I think we even have some letters, and you could totally customize something like this. You can make it really cute on the back. I mean, it would be fun. Like if you wanted to give this as a gift or put it in one of your kids' stockings, you could totally customize something like this, and the quality feels really nice. I think it would be a cute, useful gift. Well, you guys, we're gonna end right here. I'm gonna start the very next video over here down the craft aisle because we have so many new items. So definitely come back to my very next video, you guys. We have lots of new items to look at, and we're also going to be looking at makeup and other things in the store. So definitely check out my Dollar Tree playlist. Turn on all notifications, you guys. I post every single day, and I wouldn't want you guys to miss a single video. All right, you guys, well, I'm out of here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.